Have you ever wanted to take a break from Facebook but didn't know how? In the ever-evolving digital world, we sometimes yearn for a pause, a respite from the endless feed of updates and notifications. Facebook, the social media giant, offers two ways to achieve this: deactivation and deletion. Deactivation is like a pause button, hiding your profile temporarily but retaining all your information, enabling you to return whenever you're ready. Deletion, on the other hand, is a permanent step, erasing your account and all its data for good. It's essential to understand the distinction between these two options and choose wisely. Today we'll focus on deactivation, a less drastic but effective way to reclaim some peace from the digital clamor. It's a manual process designed to ensure you're in control of your online presence. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of deactivating your Facebook account. Scene script. First things first, you need to log in to your Facebook account using a web browser. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com on the address bar. Hit enter and you will be directed to the Facebook homepage. If you're already logged in, great. If not, no worries. Just enter your email or phone number and password in the designated fields and click Login. Remember, your email or phone number is the one you used when you signed up for Facebook. Now, once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see a down arrow icon just beside the question mark icon. This is where the magic happens. Click on this down arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of options. Among these options, you'll find Settings and AMP Privacy. It's usually the fifth option from the top, right below Ads Manager. This is your gateway to managing how your account works and how your information is used. Click on Settings and AMP Privacy. A new menu will slide out, providing you with four options: Settings, Privacy Checkup, Privacy Shortcuts, and Activity Log. For the purpose of accessing your account settings, you need to click on Settings. This option is usually at the very top of the list. Once you click on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. This is your General Account Settings page. Here, you'll find various sections like General, Security and Login, your Facebook information, and so forth. Each of these sections is designed to help you manage different aspects of your Facebook account. Now, you're in the section where you can manage your account settings. This is where you can take control of your Facebook experience. From changing your password to managing your privacy settings, you have the power to customize your account as per your preferences. Remember, these settings are here for you to make the most out of your Facebook experience, so don't hesitate to explore and adjust them as needed. Once you're in the Settings and AMP Privacy section, the next step is to select Settings. This is where the magic happens, where you can control and customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. But let's not get distracted. We're here for a purpose. So, without further ado, let's get down to business. On this page, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. These options allow you to manage everything from your personal information to your privacy preferences. But the one we're interested in today is called Your Facebook Information. This is where Facebook keeps all the details about your account. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, you've entered a new realm, a realm of information. Here you can access and manage your data, download your Facebook information, and even view your off-Facebook activity. But again, let's not wander too far. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Deactivation and Deletion. This is our final destination, so let's click on it. Once you click on Deactivation and Deletion, you're presented with two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Now, it's important to understand the difference here. Deactivating your account is like a pause button. It hides your profile temporarily, but keeps all your information intact. You can come back anytime you want, and everything will be just as you left it. On the other hand, deleting your account is like a full stop. It permanently removes your account and all its information from Facebook. There's no turning back once you choose this option. But as we're focusing on deactivation today, let's choose Deactivate Account. A gentle click and you're one step away from deactivating your account. You'll be asked to enter your password and to give a reason for your departure. But we'll get to that in the next scene. And there you have it, you're now at the final step to deactivate your account. This is your journey and we're just here to guide you. So take a deep breath and let's move forward. You're almost there, just a few more clicks and you're done. The final stretch of our journey involves choosing Deactivate account from the options presented. You'll find this under the Deactivation and Deletion section. Once you click on it, Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. It's their last-ditch attempt to make you rethink your decision, but if you've made up your mind, go ahead and click Continue to Account Deactivation. You'll be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. After entering your password, click on Continue. Facebook might ask you for a reason for leaving, but you're not obliged to provide one. You can select, "This is temporary, I'll be back," or any other option that suits your situation. Once all this is done, click on Deactivate Now, and voila, you have successfully deactivated your Facebook account. Remember, deactivating your Facebook account is a temporary action. It's a reversible choice that allows you to take a break whenever you need it. Let's quickly recap the process. After logging in, you'll find the settings under the drop-down menu at the top right corner. From there, it's just a few clicks away. Select Settings and AMP Privacy, then Settings, and finally, your Facebook information. The option to deactivate is nestled under Deactivation and Deletion. Keep in mind, deactivation simply puts your profile out of sight. It doesn't erase your digital footprint. Your memories, your posts, your photos, they all remain intact. And whenever you're ready to jump back into the social media fray, just log back in. Your Facebook account will be there waiting for you. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video